What's up, you guys? Here again with another video. Now today's gonna be a little bit different. We aren't gonna be doing a POV of driving. I do appreciate you guys for tuning in on the last upload. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check that out after this video, of course. But I appreciate you guys for the love that you guys have been showing. But if you guys are new to the video right now, if you can, just go ahead and subscribe right now. That way you guys do not miss out on what's coming next on the upcoming videos, you guys. Now once again, today's gonna be a little bit different. We are going ahead and driving to meet up some buddies of mine. Hold on. Alright. Still getting used to this, holding the camera and shifting, you guys. I'm going to roll up the windows up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, you guys, so real quick, I know I already said this, but we're just on our way to go ahead and meet up with some of my buddies. That way we can go ahead and cruise to this car meet that we're going to be heading to. It's actually been a while since I've gone to a car meet. So, you know, I'm excited to see what there is and what we're going to be able to catch on, obviously on camera. Let's just go ahead and check it out. Have a nice night. And like I said, we'll probably see you guys there. That way we don't make this one a long video for you guys, all right? So once again, I appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and fast forward over there. Alright guys, so we just made it to the meet. Right now we're just obviously parked kind of away from the scene, but we're gonna go check it out, see what's here, what's around here. What's up, Josh? Nah, dude, nah.
First car of the meet.
We don't want you recording, dude. We got Muggy here. Hey. Yeah, I think it's clean. This thing's clean right here. Got a Shelby out here. Clean Mach 1.
Little monkey?
Huh? Yeah. Got a Lambo. Another Mach 1. Got the police car out here, bro.
It's like that on the ZL1?
Hell, I know how we add that to the Camaro.
It's tough.
It's a clean 5.0 over there. Some classics over here. Novas. Nice, nice. Remember?
Hey?
Snake pit?
Snake pit, yeah.
Maybe.
It probably is that one. Yeah, because the front end.
If it's Pro Charge, it is it.
Because his was twin turbo, no?
Got a Shelby. Yeah, it was twin turbo. This one's supercharged. It's still clean. Little C8. Got a Hellcat over here. Clean, clean. This definitely got to be in on the list in the garage one day.
So I popped this hood on the turning, and then some guy comes up and he's like, "Bro, that intake."
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Out of everything, how he
Out
points
of
out the
everything
intake.
he pointed out, he's like, "Bro, that intake."
That thing's clean.
Like he had so much shit done to it.
Another Camaro over there. Huh? Did we found ourselves another ZL1 here? Looks good in all black. It looks good in all black.
Right next to that. Next to this guy in red.
Reverse haul.
Bro, that makes me miss my Camaro.
Right there, bro. So I never caught it on film, but I lost to a red Supra on the highway one day. Could have been this one. It's got slicks on. Wish I would have got that on video. It was a pretty fun race. It wasn't by a lot, but still was a fun race. I don't know. There's a lot of red Supras out here, so we
He
don't
was
know.
smoking somebody.
Oh yeah.
And hit something on the road.
Probably.
You know what I mean?
That setup though, that setup looks good.
I like how they put the points on the mirror cap. Yeah.
Nice little, is it an M3?
M4.
M4. Dang, skis. Not really. Yeah.
It's a 4M?
Huh? Got another. Is this a GT? That's a new edge either way. 370.
Got a little fender bender.
Oh no. It happens, man. This one's a Hellcat swap neon, Dodge Neon. It's not even a Dodge, bro.
It's a, what is this?
A Saturn, is it?
No, it's a Cobalt. Yeah.
Oh, it's a Cobalt, bro. I'm like way off. There's no emblems on it.
It's because you can't even tell.
It's a sleeper.
Yeah.
Told you. Honestly, we expected it to be like a little bit more packed, but I think it was probably just because we were a little late, or just maybe not a lot of cars showed up. But who knows? Maybe some cars still show up. But we're gonna keep walking around, show you guys what we see. Give us a little slide, little Shelby. I think what's more packed is Hooters, no? Hooters is probably more packed.
Yeah, for sure. Probably shit. Game.
Yeah, look, this thing is sick. Yeah, this 99 Cobra is nice, bro. If it is a 99, unless it's a Mustang GT. Oh, it is a Cobra. It's Cam. In a top. Cyber truck over there.
That's so trippy seeing the rear wheels here.
The smell of burnt rubber.
Till I get my money right.
Yeah, these guys are probably on their way over here. Something happened over there, right? There's hazards. Oh no. Nah, they're going that way. Before we head out though, we gotta get this one.
This is the best build right here.
Damn, look at
the
that.
arrow up top,
Aerodynamic.
and then the entrance. This is how you get in, bro. Like no door.
Got its own parking spot. Taking up 2 spaces, bro.
Why, buddy?
I think someone almost hit it right here. Look.
All over the sides. Look. It's a Bronco, bitch. Look.
Oh, it is. But we about to head out, guys. You know, we are about to head out. Nothing too crazy today. It was just a nice little meet. Could have been bigger. Next time we'll hit up another one. About to dip out in the ZL1 here. This was a short video, so we'll see if we do anything next or we just add another video to this. What else, skis?
How are you, man?
Doing good, are you? In time, damn. M3. Just about out the M3. This thing's clean. Alright, guys, so we just came to make a quick stop, get some food, get something to drink, and see what we do after this. See you guys in a bit.